So you finished the class, congratulations. Let's see what's coming up next. So in this class, you'll notice we've covered the two aspects of color, the opposite colors and the adjacent colors, sometimes called the complementary colors and the analogous colors. I want you to work with these in your own paintings and come up with some great combinations of colors. Our next classes will cover the other three principles discovered by Monsieur Chevreul in his book. This is the Principles of Harmony and Contrast of Colors and Their Application to the Arts by M.E. Chevreul. This is a facsimile of the original translated into English and edited, forwarded by Faber-Biren. So I spent many hours reading this, being totally confused at first. But after a while, after taking the ideas and working with them, it suddenly occurred to me that color was worth exploring and developing. And I hope to do that with you in future classes. See you later. Thanks for being part of Mastering Color.